Hello guys, to a new TikTok. So today was the last lesson of the term. We got put in groups and we got some random ingredients, and the main ingredient was minced beef. So me and my team made some delicious smash burgers. So 2 patties of cheese, some lettuce, red onion, tomatoes, some bacon. We made some garlic mayo with that as well. Me eating it, I really enjoyed the dish. With that, we made some potato wedges and some chicken goujons, and it was very delicious. So yeah, like, follow, and see you later, guys. Goodbye.